Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and I needed to be thankful for reminders today. Today I got a reminder that all things work together for good for those who love God and are called according to His purpose. You know, when was it? 2012, there was a baby that was born and we brought him into our house, and 7 weeks later it was taken away, and I had to tell people, hey, it's working for good. In 2000 and when was it? I don't know, I think it was 2017, there was a parking ticket. And I had to remind people, I had to remind myself, hey, it's working for good. This year, it's been COVID, and then it's been COVID, and then it's been COVID, and today just wasn't a very good day. But it's working for good. I have to remind myself, but I'm reminding people out there, maybe you haven't had a good year. Maybe you haven't had a good week. Maybe you haven't had a good day. It is working for good if you love God and are called according to His purpose. It's working for good for you. And you will see the blessings if you claim the promise. But you have to put your mind in that thankful mode. You can't put your mind in the grumbling, complaining mode, because then what God will say is like the children of Israel when they said for the 10th time, you know what, you just brought us out here to die. He said, okay, I've heard your prayer. You're going to die in the wilderness. I'm not going to take you to the promised land. I'm not going to make it work for good for you. I'll make it work for good for your kids, but I'm not going to make it work for good for you. So, be grateful, be thankful. I'm not saying don't mourn. I'm not saying don't, when bad things happen and we have emotions. But get out of your funk as soon as you can. And put your feet back on the ground and get up and start walking once again. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know that you came by. And if this video helped you out, please share it and help somebody else out. There is a TubeBuddy link in the description box below. If you go over there, it's a free download, and it's a TubeBuddy tool that will help you. Excuse me. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.